what is most gratifying in clinical practice? When a child who's brought to you in severe illness and you give that dose of homeopathic medicine and the child is back to his normal action and fun. This is not possible only by reading books. The most important art in clinical practice, especially in children, is the art of observation. How to observe and what to understand from your observation, and how to apply it in your clinical practice. What to see in a child, his attitude, his behavior, his reactions. This is all which will help you to take your practice head and shoulders above the rest. Treating emergencies. Don't you agree that in emergency condition many a times we all experience the empty, hollow, all gone sensation? This can be minimized if you understand how to handle emergencies, how to tackle fevers, how to tackle your asthmas and coughs and colics. This is mainstay of clinical practice. Treating pathological cases, especially children, by understanding the miasmatic history, by understanding the mother's state during pregnancy, how to apply it in your clinical practice is something that needs to be understood to get good results in practice. Role of parenting, how to know how the constitution gets created, is a main key to prevent recurrences. This and much more will be dealt in the 3 day stint of clinical pediatrics, a webinar with the other song. I wish you join us in this journey where we take you in my 25 years of experience in treating pediatric cases with homeopathy. So join me then.